Don't treat RTM like an afterthought. Keep monitoring consistent, onboard patients clearly, and delegate appropriately. Today's video is called What Not to Do with RTM and How to Fix It. Every clinic wants the benefits of RTM: better patient engagement, improved outcomes, and recurring revenue. But there are some common pitfalls that can block success. Let's go through the biggest mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, treating RTM like an add-on. Some clinics see RTM as just another billing code instead of a structured program that supports patients between visits. How to fix it? Build a consistent workflow that includes enrollment, monitoring, and communication. Treat RTM as a core part of care, not an afterthought. Mistake number 2, inconsistent monitoring and documentation. Skipping check-ins or failing to document monitoring properly leads to missed billing opportunities and compliance risks. How to fix it? Use a platform or a dedicated team to track daily or weekly patient data and document every interaction. Even a short message counts. Mistake number 3, confusing patients or poor onboarding. If a patient doesn't understand why RTM matters or how to use the platform, engagement drops fast. How to fix it? Keep your scripts simple, show the value, and make onboarding as smooth as possible. A 2 to 3 minute demo at evaluation is all it takes. Mistake number 4, leaving therapists to manage everything. Overloading clinicians with monitoring duties can lead to burnout and inconsistent results. A way to fix this? Delegate RTM tasks to a support team, internal or external, so therapists can focus on treatment while the program runs reliably in the background. When these mistakes are avoided, RTM programs run smoothly, patients stay engaged, billing stays consistent, and outcomes improve. So here's the key takeaway. Don't treat RTM like an afterthought. Keep monitoring consistent, onboard patients clearly, and delegate appropriately. Follow these strategies and your program will stay compliant, profitable, and effective. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next RTM in a Minute, where we'll give you quick, actionable tips to strengthen your program.